So this past week, we celebrated two major events: the Immaculate Conception of Mary and the second Sunday of Advent. And Advent is my absolute favorite season, because this is the season when all these promises are made to us, when mourning and misery are changed into joy and justice, when all the exiles come home, when people who are estranged from one another step closer to each other again. It's a time when they promise that rough terrain will be made easy. So St. Paul speaks of this incredible joy he has for his people, for his confidence that the word that was proclaimed to them, the word of Christ, is continuing in them. He speaks also of this tremendously deep compassion and affection he has for them. Do we have a sense after 2 millennia that same deep affection is being extended to us? Wouldn't it be wonderful if amidst all our lethargy and sadness and darkness, we could be assured that the gospel in fact is growing in us? Wouldn't that be wonderful? That's what Advent is all about. It's an opportunity to step back and start again. It's believing that this larger mystery came down and became human, and we participate in that too. And we believe that we as a human community can move towards peace and justice and hope. Every Advent, we get a chance to start again. Let's do it. See you next time.
Don't forget to follow St. Patrick's on Facebook or subscribe on YouTube. And please join us for any of our live stream masses this weekend. Details are below in the description. God bless you.